Hey guys, what's up? This is Chetan Bhavani and I'm going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S4. This is the Indian retail packaging and you can see the pricing here is rupees 28,875, but the actual pricing at which you can get it is around rupees 25,000 in the India market right now, because the pricing has been reduced quite a bit for this device particularly. So this is the Duos version that comes with the two SIM cards, and both are the micro SIM cards that you have to place, and both are the GSM network SIM cards which can be accepted. So this is a pretty sleek packaging with the wooden finish that you always get with the latest Samsung devices. And now let's try to open the packaging and see what all comes into the device package. First of all, let's see a bit of few specifications here itself. It comes with HSPA plus network, that's the 3G connectivity, and there's a dual core Krait 1.7 GHz processor. There are two cameras. The rear one is the 8 megapixel autofocus camera and the front one is a 1.9 megapixel one, and these are two dual SIM cards. So, and there's a 1.5 GB RAM, that's quite good for the multitasking. And what you get here is the 108.5 mm, so 10.8 centimeters of diagonal width of the screen, and a good battery of 1900 mAh capacity. It's a Super AMOLED display as given here. So let's see, this is the device, the Galaxy S4 Mini. So it's pretty sleek and pretty comfortable to hold in the hands with a smaller size, but the design as always is the same with most of the Samsung Galaxy devices. This is the rear camera with the flash, and this is the middle logo and the duo signal to show you that okay, this is a dual SIM device. The speaker in the bottom, and there are volume rock keys on the left, the power key on the right, and there's a 3.5mm headset jack on the top with the mic, secondary mic for the noise cancellation. And here's a 3.5mm, not the 3.5, this is the micro USB slot. So let's keep the device aside and see what all comes into the package. So this is all the recycled papers that Samsung uses. It comes with the quick start guide to start off, and apart from that, what you see is a SAR certification and the warranty cards. So this is the warranty card from Samsung for the S4 Mini, and as the device is in white color, you would see most of the accessories in the white color. This is a travel adapter, and it's a 3.5mm USB port. This is for both the connectivity to the computer and also for the charging with the travel adapter. And here comes the 3.5mm pin with the Samsung headphones, and these are the earplugs. So this is all what you get in the packaging. Do check out my channel for the other videos. The review of this S4 Mini that will be up soon, so subscribe to it for the future videos. Thank you.